students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today we are going to do the next long answer questions from the chapter Birds. And this is question number 2, which you are going to find at page number 208. So very first thing, write today's date. Today is 9/7/2023. And the question is question number 2. Write along with me, children. How do birds fly? Explain briefly. And the answer to this question is in order to fly, in order to fly. Read and write along with me, children. In order to fly, comma, birds move their wings. Birds move their wings in two types of movements. In two types of movement. That is called upward. Check out the spelling UPWARD. Upward stroke STROKE. Upward stroke and downward DOWNWARD. Downward stroke STROKE. Upward stroke and downward stroke. The upward and backward movement of wings. The upward and backward movement of wings. I repeat, the upward and backward movement of wings is called upward stroke. The downward and forward movement of wings of wings is called downward stroke. The tail of a bird helps it to change direction while flying. So hereby we complete this answer. Let's repeat it once, children. Repeat after me. How do birds fly? Explain briefly. Answer is in order to fly. Repeat after me, children. In order to fly, birds move their wings in two types of movements, upward stroke and downward stroke. The upward and backward movements of wings is called upward stroke. The downward and forward movement of wings is called downward stroke. The tail of a bird helps it to change direction while flying. So hereby we complete this question, children. We'll do the next question in the next class. Thank you.